really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweating, tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweating, tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweating, tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweating, tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. this is my ship. I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it, my self-esteem been petty. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my.
Hello, hello. We are live. I haven't got my normal coffee, but I've gone out to get some Italian coffee, takeaway. Oh, it's an exciting day. I'm quite nervous today. I wonder if it's because it's been a little bit a long time, or I'm nervous for what's coming. Hello, Marcel, Hero, Ryan, Charlotte, James Messenger, Jay, Al, Joseph, all the guys are in. All the guys are in. Scott Callahan, morning all, excited for the 5 lucky people and proud moment for us all. Let's go, Yanis, here we go. Absolutely, absolute. Guys, I can't explain how difficult that was. I just can't. I can't explain it. Martin, good morning. Raymond, Raphael. Long time, indeed. Indeed, long time. We are in Italy. We've left Bali. We are going to be in Italy until end of July. Then we're heading to Greece. In Greece, we're going to be doing a stint there until a wedding, and then we're going to head back to Bali. But the big challenge, the 6-week challenge, guys, oh my God, I wish you had a camera in the house. The amount of hours that have gone into this, the stress, the failures, the updating strategies, failing again, updating it again. I can't explain to you how much work has been into this. Parla italiano? Poco. Buongiorno. I don't think Raphael is Italian anyway. Or are you? Maybe I missed it. Anna. Hello, Anna. Buongiorno. Coffee needed. Indeed. We're going to need coffee today, guys. It's going to be emotional today. Why? One, because this projects have been a mammoth of a project. 2, sitting down and speaking with like 70 people of you. Wow, you don't know what goes behind the scenes. And when you actually speak with the people, it's like, oh my God, absolutely wow. So proud of this community. Red Charlie, good morning. Congratulations to those selected and hats off to Jans for all the work. And let's see. We've got exciting day today. But we're going to start with the good old trading view. How's trading been? We had the pass method yesterday, and that's what it's going to be called, the pass method. I'm going to tell you a little bit about these 5 guys, what they're going to get, what they're going to go through in these 6 weeks. Yeah, it's just going to be big, man. Big for you, big for me, big for the community. It's going to be awesome. Absolutely awesome. First of all, after this call, we will know the 5 traders are going to be doing the 6-week challenge in July. These guys, they're going to have my personal number, so they can contact me anytime they want. And if they, any time of the day, you can text me. That's how much I want you to succeed in this. And there's going to be so many questions about the new strategy. You won't believe it. Are we going to be using levels? No. What? No levels? What's going on? I can't say too much. I'm just going to say that it has been an absolute crazy journey to get to the point where I'm happy to release this to the 5 guys, and I'm trading it myself now. So, and it's looking good. It's looking good. Sudeep, hello, my friend. It was amazing to talk to you. It's a W for me. Appreciate that. We are all humans. Behind everyone there is a story. Man, did that highlight the interview process. First of all, hats off to every single person who turned up. I know it can be intimidating. You know, you see me on YouTube, or you see all on the Discord and stuff. And there you were putting yourself forward. And I appreciate that so much. And there was some crazy, amazing stories, some amazing familiar faces. I know what this means to everyone. I know what it means because I've been there, and it's frustrating when you are close but you can't get consistency, and then here comes a random person and says, hey, I've got the solution. It's going to be so much more than that, but hopefully it's the solution as well. So what we're looking at, S&P. S&P is creating new highs. Look at that. Weekly high here. Everyone's like, come on, tell us. Leave the screens alone. We will get there eventually. As you can see, the indicator that we've been using, I showed this on the ICT videos. It's the, I believe it's the all-in-one. Yeah, all-in-one, weekly, Monday, previous high. Everything's in there. Let's delete these. Pound dollar. So, what we got? Good morning, Eduardo. Corazao. Marco, ciao, buongiorno. It was nice to meet Marco as well. It's like, wow. Every one of you guys is like, puts the work in, man. Puts the work in. Let's look at this move. Sorry, I'm a bit excited. I'm a bit excited about today. I'm gonna settle down in a bit. But we haven't been live for a long time. Must be how long now? It's been a while. Broken the 23, retested it and going higher. Hit the 50, retraced. Now it's trying to hunt what? What is it hunting for? I know, I was just kidding, Eddie. You've got Eduardo there. I mean, I've got to call it. Hello, Rich, my friend. And by the way, let's have a look. Let me find it. It's still not late, guys. It's still not late. You can still join the Vanguard. I'm not kidding when I'm saying it's closing down. You won't be able to get it. So if you do want to be part of this community, you have to join it. And what is it now? It's June. So think about this. You're gonna have to pay $19 for July, and then it's free forever. I mean, I know a million ways to be able to get $19. And you're like, why do you make it free now? No, I want the people to have skin in the game. I don't want people to join for free. Because that, I mean, I'm not asking for $1 million here. We're talking about $19, which is what, like 2 coffees in America. But trust me, what you're going to be getting, I can't tell you now, because I don't want that to be the incentive of you joining. Here it is. That's what we're all waiting for. In 2 weeks' time, 4 days, 21 hours, 19 minutes and 36 seconds, we're going to be doing the challenge for the 5 people. I need to update this because now we do have, these interviews are done. We've got the interviews done. There will be an ebook version of the strategy that you will be getting. Guys, this is going to take time, right? I don't have a team behind me. It's just me. So I'm going to have to do all this. But this is what's going to be the value when you get in. The Vanguard yearly, it would cost you about $359 to get my Q&As every Wednesday, every other Wednesday. And a community that you would get. Tableau analysis dashboard, you will have access to that, and we're going to be improving that with the new strategy. These are going to update these. There's no spaces left in for the Vanguard for the interviews, but I need to calculate how many we have to cap it. Guys, if you want to know my story, go and watch the video how I quit my 9-to-5. This is what motivates me. I've never been more motivated than the project I'm working on now. I'm not kidding. Like, I've gone to the Olympics, I've trained actors, and I've done a lot of things in the past. This has been the most focused and excited I've been about a project in my entire life, which is absolutely amazing. Amazing. So I just want to show you on the Discord. This is our beautiful Discord. You'll recognize some names in the chat. Michael is off on a journey with his boat across the world. It's going to be exciting. You'll see something new here though. But when we close the Vanguard, guys, the guild hall is going. This will be no more. And that means 500 people are going to be going. Well, not 400. Don't know how many we are in here. I think we're about 70 Vanguards or something like that. The rest are out. We want this community to be a real thing. A real change. Actually making it. But in the Vanguard, you can now see a new area where there's going to be the pass method. And that's going to be accessed by, firstly, the 5 people that are going to be doing it from today. Now, I'm going to give access to this in July, but potentially might do it earlier to start building that rapport between the group. You have no idea what's coming. No idea. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be exciting. So yeah, this is the Discord. You get access to all the Zoom calls. There's more than 43 videos on repositioning and where is it? I'm not going to lie. The book club, it started well. Everyone kind of did their own thing. So the book club might go. I might speak to Marcel and see how we can readjust that to make it more. But the thing is, I'm a strong believer that when you try something and things don't become, they don't work out, we don't need to keep trying it, keep pushing it. We're not going to be pushing the chair. We need people pushing us behind us. So if the book club is not doing service to us to become better, guess what? We're chucking it out. What we're going to be, might be replacing it with something new. We'll see. Weekly Q&As. This is where you're going to, if you click on here, you would get the link and also the recordings. There's so many recordings, repositioning, NLP work, psychology. Crazy what's in there. Marcel is coming here. Let's see. We can rename it into a library, Yanis. It's just generally area where we can discuss books. I like that. Yeah. Maybe it will be a library. We'll see. We'll see. But looking at this, we want to change this to buy side liquidity. Remember, this is on an hourly chart. So we've got buy side liquidity here. Looking at this, where is sell side? Where would everyone place sell side? The Loyalty family. Hi, Yanis. It's been long live. Who is the author of that indicator? Ooh, good question. Tex Moon Beam is the author. Charlotte says it's a no-brainer. I mean, the thing is, you can't push someone to a decision. They want to want the decision, right? That's the key thing here. Where it's not like, I mean, for me it's a no-brainer. For me it's like you don't understand the value that you'll be getting. And to be fair to people, you might be in a position where you just so down, where you're like, well, this is another investment that I can invest it in my next meal, or I've heard stories where it's been really, really difficult. So I understand that. But if you're in that lowest position and you're able to do the work to invest yourself for something that's going to be free for the rest of your life, for me it's a no-brainer. And the harder the struggle, the more you're going to value it. So I think it's an absolute no-brainer. For the people asking, how do I join? If you click on this join the challenge, it will pop up with an email. You can put your email in there, and then that will throw you onto the upgrade, where you can upgrade for the Vanguard. September we'll be closing that, and there's going to be some actions where we're going to be removing the whatever's left in the Discord. If people want to stay in touch with me, I understand. They're like, why don't you keep one free one in there? So I just don't want to have a free one. I don't want someone just like joining in now and then. The people that are going to be close, it's going to be free. It's going to be free from September. It doesn't get more free than that. But currently, the people that had joined for, there's a Discord link, let me join. I don't want that person. If you do want to stay in touch, I'm going to put my email in there, and you can drop me an email, and I will try and reply to those. But yeah. Let's see. Has there anyone braved enough for the low? Al says the last swing low. You are correct, my friend. Remember, this is an hourly. So we've got liquidity here, 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 here. Look at all that. I would discount these lows here. So what I would do, I would grab that area there as the sell side. Yes, sell side. Previous daily high. We're currently close to the previous daily high. I love this because it gives you monthly highs, monthly lows, previous weekly low, low, monthly low. Bearing in mind, this has nothing to do with what we're going to be trading with the past method. Everyone's so confused. Like, what is this? What do we have above? We have a fair value gap, big fair value gap. We had a big NFB reaction. That's a big drop. How big is that? That is 97 pips, 125. Not the worst. I actually want to show you something. When I was doing all the back testing, I wanted to know what is the biggest, let me just find it. Where did I do it? Let me redo that. So I wanted to know when I was back testing, because the back testing will have a version of repositioning, but it's new, nothing like you know now. And I want to show you something, because we need to be clever on how we use analytics here. I've got a question for you. Since 2010, up to date, and focus, this is a serious question. From 2010 up to now. And don't go Googling, I just want to see your perception about this. How many pips up or down do you think the pound dollar has dropped in one direction without a 50% retracement? Let's have a guess. I could not make any good experience with a free community. I agree. Even though this is going to become free, it's coming from paid members. So, and the only people that are going to be entering our community will be coming through the pass method. So everyone is going to be on the same page. Everyone is coming from a paid version. I think it's going to be really good. Jay says minus 100. Fancy seeing you live on YouTube again, Yanis. Hey, Rad. And why is this a good question? Vanguard Ross here. Oh, that's an interesting name. Garms Factory. Was that always your name? Or you joined with another one? Marcel is coming in with 700 pips. Let's see. No Googling allowed, guys. No Googling. And let's get some reactions. Let's get some, what should we get? Let's see. Let's get some star faces. Who's excited for the results today? Let's put some stars in. Scott comes in with a 1,200. Wow. Al says 200. I'll say 699 to try and beat Marcel. Leon, welcome back, Vanguard. Hi, Leon. What time is it? It is 8:50. We're going to announce the first trader winner very soon. Very, very soon. Here comes the reactions. Sudip. 120, 100. Okay, we've got a few interesting, and you can see how different we're all looking at this. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get some more answers, and then we're going to go and have a look. Eddie, I'd give you more money with all the past Zoom recordings. $19.99 is cheap for all the knowledge I've gained from you. I appreciate that, Eddie. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous cheap. It's ridiculous cheap. I used to charge £180 an hour to train people. Do the maths. How many Vanguards that would have to be, and I did that in an hour. Let alone the trading. You can make $500 in a day. Many no, hello. Right, let's see. Let's see the results. Significant pip changes since 2010. June 2016, 1,800 pips decrease. March, 1,800. The last 10th position is 400 pips. So we're looking at an average of 600 pips. With the exception of Brexit, COVID, China devaluation for 1,000. US economy data in 2014, 750. That's a big jump down. So we can see here, 1,800, pretty much. I've excluded the 2008 because that was just nuts. Raphael, Yanis, you said you will be kicking everyone out that is not part of Vanguard. Is there not going to be a channel just for public? No, the Discord is changing. It's sure that average is 1,200. Let's have a look. Let's go. Wouldn't it be nice if someone can tell us? $855, actually, Scott. That's sad, man. Why is it sad, Rafa? You can have it for free from September for $19.99. It's not going anywhere. We just want to exclude the people that are not active, people that are not interested in improving their lives. I did a whole spiel like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, 855 pips. And look at all these. Trump inauguration, 600 pips. Bank of England Governor speech, 550. Brexit deal, deadlock 5. UK elections, 450. Pro-Brexit trade deal, 400. Increase, interestingly. So what's interesting about this? Out of all these 10 worst case scenarios on the pound dollar, 3 have been an increase. And one is increase on US data. The second one is increase on UK election. And third is an increase on UK based Brexit deal, yeah. But 400 pips compared to 1,800 pips. And why am I doing all this and why am I analyzing all this? That is the analysis that I had to go back and do to make sure that it works in every case scenario. which is hard. Because no system, and I tested like all the things that I know, indicator based, price action based, silver bullet based, ICT based, turtle soups, Judas moves, everything fails when you do it long enough. Everything. Which was an eye-opener to me. Huge eye-opener. I was like, what? Surely there must be something that works. Everything fails. Even levels. If you try and do systematic levels, it will fail you at some point. It will. And I've got proof. I've got proof. A lot of proof. Actually, I'm not sure I can show you this yet, because it might give some things away. So, I have done tight stop losses, big stop losses, silver bullet with repositioning, 200 pip stops, one lot trading, 0.25 trading, 0.1 trading, tested over since 2010 all the way to 2024 multiple times to identify what works. Ryan, everything fails? That's insane. If you try and put strict rules, and what I mean by that, risk reward, there will be one trade that won't work, or one period of time that it won't work, and it will kill the account. Do you know how frustrating it was? I had done 4 years successful trading. I'm like, okay, this is the thing I'm gonna give to the guys. And there was a 1 year in 2012 that it would break it down. And then you're like, wait a minute. What about all those 4 years of data that was working? What if that year that it didn't work is coming? What if it's next year? And then suddenly you try and do a challenge and you fail. And then you're like, oh. Yeah. I've lost sleep over this. I'll tell you my schedule, what's gone in. Morning, back testing from 8 o'clock until 12. 12 o'clock, go and pick up my son, play for 2 hours, and start again at 2, trade, and then back test until 4 o'clock, deal with my trades on the morning, pick up Leo at 4, play with him until 7:30, 8, until he falls asleep, and then back test again until 1 a.m. in the morning. That's what's gone in. So when people take it lightly and they say, hey, let's make it free. No way. You do the work. But Vanguard will be free, which you will get eventually, the system. You will get, the 5 traders are getting literally everything for free. They're bloody lucky BSs. No, not BSs. Bastards I was going for, but that's not nice. Let's not go with that. They're bloody lucky that they're going to get all this. But I'm also excited for them because Yeah, I wish I had this. I wish I had this. I'm sure the lucky 5 will be committed. I hope so. I hope so. Okay. Okay. It's that time. It's that time. It's that time. So what we're going to do, I'm going to announce one of the traders in, I'm getting nervous, in 5 minutes. 9:10. Let's get those likes up, guys. Let's get the comments live. Let's get those good old Discord glasses up. Here we go. Al, I've got sweepstake. Let's go. Let's go. The first person that I'm going to show, he's going to be part of the 5. First of all, he had an absolutely incredible story. He showed me that he wants it. He wants it a lot. For me, this choice was probably one of the easiest choices. So, and why I say that is because that individual was, I was like, I want to hear this, I want to hear that, I want to hear this, and he was tick, 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 tick. So everything was clicking. Okay, I think it's time. I think it's time. We're gonna start with our first trader of the 5, the pass method. Here we go. So, the first person who's going to be joining the Vanguard's 5 is James Messenger. James is in. We have a winner, and our first trader is James Messenger. Well done, buddy. I'm so happy for you. You totally deserve this, and I'm so glad for you to be in the 5. You're going to be an awesome person. I know it. You're going to be exactly what we need in the group. And yeah, there he is. That's me. James is in. Good job, buddy. Awesome. Not yet. Not yet. We're just doing one at a time. So James, James is in. We're going to be starting in July. You better make sure, all of you actually that have told me can commit to this, you better be committed to this, time-wise as well. It's going to be a lot of work. So awesome. Welcome on board, James. And yeah, 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Let's have a look at DXY for a second. Where are we based on the DXY? This is more stressful than Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Well, guess what, Lau? You will be a millionaire. So it is stressful. We have a big gap here on the 1 hour. So if price, that's me. Yeah, that made me giggle as well. That was quite funny. We can see price action potentially to the downside. That's 200 pips there. Or 20, actually it's 30 pips because we're on the DXY. Which means pound dollar has room to go higher into buy side liquidity. So we'll see if this gets filled. And guys, I messaged this in the Discord. I know some of you are gonna be a bit sad, and I actually, it's a good thing. I know it's not a good thing. You might not think it's a good thing. It means that you want it, and if it's not this time, it's gonna be the next time. I just want to show you something. What we're working for. This is from the tavern on the Vanguard, which is going to go extinct soon. This is one of the data that I've collected. 4 years, 4 months, sorry, to pass. Now I know this is going to be the one that we're going to have to. I'm going to have to challenge the 5 a lot. Because this is 4-month period or 47 trades. So it's going to take a special person. Now we know it's James, one of those. We're going to have to be extremely precise, extremely dedicated towards what we're doing. Identifying exactly how we're going to trade this, how we're going to manage this, how we're going to find our entries, how we're going to find our exits, where are going to be our strict stops. We're doing this very, very precise. So, because we're looking at 82% win rate here, 90% historical data. This is the post I was looking for. This historic moment of the Vanguards. 19 days left, 18 now, and we now have the pass method. I've taken this picture of this to print it on my wall because I want to remember this moment in time where we're going to change people's lives. So that is what this message is all about. One challenge away. That is the aim. hopefully we'll do it. There's no hope. We will do it. Of course we will do it. I'm sad already. Can you still join the Vanguard? Yes. In the details, you can upgrade now. Let me see if that works. That doesn't work. Should be a link in the... Let me see if I can find it. There we go. Copy paste that or click on it, and that will take you to the $19.99, which you'll be paying till September, and then all free. I've missed this music. Had a haircut yesterday. You wouldn't believe. It's really long. It was like a mushroom, my hair. Where, by the way, we are approaching... that's wrong there. That's no 9,500 subscribers. No, we are approaching the 10K closely. That's going to be insane as well. I need to think of a giveaway if we hit the 10K. And by the way, guys, when I've announced the 5 traders, there is something that you haven't I haven't told you yet, and it's massive. Absolutely massive. It's going to be so exciting, and the thing that's gonna happen towards the end of this live, you won't believe it. So yeah, you want to stick around. Trust me, you want to stick around, because if you're not here, you won't get it. So you want to stick. You won't see it. Is that an ICT strategy with 82? No, the pass method is not based on ICT. Well, is it based on ICT methods? Let's think. There is one part of ICT that is being used, but this is completely new. It's everything that I've learned from ICT, Scruffy, all the stuff that I've done in my trading. It's come together, back tested it massively, and it's come now to the point where I'm comfortable to use it. And I would only teach something that I'm using. And we have multiple years of back testing to back us up, right? In trading, guys, is super. It's super unpredictable, And yes, we try and create predictability in price and future price and price action, reading price, looking at fair value gaps, identifying where it's going to go. But everything is based on probabilities. So even with the 5 traders, even myself, every time I'm doing a challenge, there is a probability that I will fail. But I put everything, historical data, my performance based, everything backs me up to increase those chances to pass the challenge. And so as I get closer and closer to passing that challenge, then I become a lot, as it goes, like my probability of passing the challenge after a month of trading increases massively. After 2 months, it's nearly like 80%, 90% success rate. So if we, myself included, because I'm going to be doing a challenge as well with the guys, if we stick around and we do successfully pass the first month too, then we're good. Loyalty family, do we call the strategy ICT Scruffy Janus mix? It's actually nothing to do with ICT. And the one thing I was saying about ICT is basically if you want to call liquidity, swing low or liquidity. That's from ICT, I guess. Scruffy, it's, I guess, my exploration of how I got to repositioning came from pound averaging. So that's where I got introduced by the Scruffy. But this is like completely different. And the five traders, when they start trading it, they will tell you if it feels anything familiar with ICT or Scruffy. The pass method, yeah, because I always think ahead, right? I always thinking, right, we need something that is going to help us pass a challenge. But then characteristics change when we pass the method, okay? Because passing a method has so much constraint. So this is going to be, all this focus has been, how can I pass a challenge? This is the first stage. Then in the future, I'm going to be working on something that's going to be, all right, now we've got the funding. We are funded traders. How do I upscale that, upgrade it to bigger accounts? And that's going to be down the line. I want to see the traders funded yet. The first goal is to get as many people funded as possible through the fast method. And then when we're all funded, we then start building the foundations for lifelong finance. I think passing the method though is harder, because you don't want to pass it with luck, right? You don't want to just put 10 lots on, pass the, okay, I passed the method. That tells you nothing. It doesn't tell you that you're a good trader, or you're a predictable trader, or you're a consistent trader. You're just playing probabilities there. It's like gambling. But if something takes you 4 months with 48 trades, and this varies, the worst it took to pass, let me have a look. And that's where it's going to be difficult. I think a difficult year was 2000. Let me have a look. I think 2019. Let me see. Well, that's crazy. 2019 took exactly 47. Is that the one I posted? Let me go back one sec. I can't show you this because it's got all the data on there, but I'm doing it in the background. This, oh wow, what this is creepy. 2 years, 2015 and 2019, it's got 47 trades exactly on the pass method. What about 2018? 2018 did 27 trades from the 1st of July, and it finished 5th of September. No, just 3 months. So we're looking at 3 to 4 months. Profit for life method. I'm stealing that, Scott. It's gone. It's not yours. Imagine, guys, imagine this. This is what I'm manifesting. The people that get funded, when we hit, let's say we hit 50 people that are funded. Wouldn't it be awesome to get you over? You all come to Bali, and we do like a surfing trip with trading. That would be awesome. Get to meet everyone, get to meet the community in person. We have people from all over the place. Singapore, Australia, Canada. And I know this is difficult for the people that are in America right now, because this is, what time is it? It's ridiculous. And some people might be missing, they're missing the results, which is, might be tough for them to not know if they're selected or not. It's 3.5. Jay, what time is it for you? I saw Jay in here. Let's go on the 5 minute. New Zealand, Daniel. From all over the place. ICT wise, taking out the low, retracing back into the fair value gaps. Let's see, 15 handles or 15 pips at least. We're looking at taking the low here, which is a fair value gap there as well. The question is though, are we in premium? We are. Let's put the previous daily high on. We're in premium, we're above 50%. Can price retrace to the 50%? Yes. Can it take liquidity above first? Yes. So we're going to see if this holds and breaks structure below. Then it's highly likely that we're retracing back into the fair value gap. If that doesn't happen, 2:30 a.m. for Jay. Joseph is 3:27 a.m. I appreciate that, guys. I really appreciate that. Speaking of which, I think it's time for the second winner. What do we think? Is it time? Here we go. Who's going to join James? The drum roll. And the second trader is going to joining the pass method starting in July, 1st of July. Oh, I'm nervous for you. Here we go. Like an episode of X Factor. Of the big reveal. James can say that because he's already selected. Okay. So the second person who's going to be with us joining in the past method, July, starting probably the 1st of July, because we need to trade July. So we need July in there. All the data has been based on July. So here's the little blue candle. And the next person is Scott. Good old Scott. He's joining us. Well done, Scott. Absolutely incredible effort to get in there. I really appreciate everything that you've done for the community and how you turn up every day. And yeah, absolute gem. I'm super excited for you, and the community is excited for you, and you're going to be a great asset. Well done. There we go, guys. We've got two traders, Scott and James. I think Scott has fallen off his chair. I'm just gonna grab some water, guys. This is too much. Oh, what happened there? There's the music. Wow, emotional stuff. Really appreciate the play. So excited to join. We are excited for you, man. You deserve this. You are the one who's put in the work. You are the one who's put yourself into this place. All those years of struggling and trying and making it work and losing and failing. You're in. So we're going to be working hard with Scott and James. 3 to go. 3 to go. There you go. James has entered the chat. That's hilarious. Marcel is doing a good job. Second winner, Scott. Congratulations. Excellent stuff, guys. Here we go. We're seeing now the reaction on the fair value gap. Price is holding below the 50% of the fair value gap. We haven't had a close on the 5 minute above. If we look at the Fibonacci retracement on this, we're looking at 50% retracement. Exactly on the fair value gap. New subscriber, Super Forex Academy, welcome. Oh yeah, I was gonna check how far we are from getting to the 10K. What's the news, by the way? Let's have a look at the news. Calendar. 12th. Ooh. All the news are in at 8. Now we've got US heavy day. Wow, inflation rate. I would be very, very cautious, guys, with trading. Today we've got federal funds FOMC minutes at 8 o'clock my time, 7 o'clock UK time, 1:30 US open. We've got core inflation rate. I would be very, 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 very careful with trading today. Use the news as liquidity, but not for decisions. So we need 120 more for 10K subscribers. And I agree with Marcel. Marcel mentioned earlier we should do a Vanguard for free. I'm okay with that version of free as a celebratory free. I can't read up or down. Oh, I see. You're saying you can't read up or down. So what do you do when you can't read up or down? You just leave it alone. Don't touch it. Let's look at gold. Oh man, gold. How many people have been caught trying to push that price higher? Where's Rich? Rich is a gold trader. You sit on your hands, yeah. That's something that Scruffy always says, right? And you come from the Scruffy squad. So, yeah, if there's nothing there, make sure you don't do anything. I got caught. Yeah, I mean, this is a big drop. Talking about the drops. Look at this bad boy. Oof. 4% drop. That is a hefty drop. It's almost like the whole range. It's created the monthly low and the monthly high. It's nearly the whole range. Look at that. Uh, 236 to 50% on Fib Gold play. Let's have a look. If that was the case, I would be looking at a big move. We've broken the 23 on the hourly. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours broken the 23. Look at the daily. It's broken the 23. Yeah, I can see that argument. However, look at this move. Very similar move. It only retraced, broke the 23 and then broke below the fib. So remember, every Fibonacci retracement is not treated the same. The pound dollar is a completely different retracement to the gold, and this is an example. It broke below. It did go to 50%, but it took out the low. So it basically went down here and then went into the golden zone. But you did find a trigger here. So unless you're repositioning this, that would have stopped you out and then delivered price. Just to bear in mind. Now we're in this scenario here. Broke above the 23. Can this go and take the low? If it does the same with this, then possible. What's below here? We've got a lot of interest here. This is a weekly fair value gap. I'm excluding this because this has been tapped into. So can this come and take the low here? Absolutely. Look at the reverse on the weekly. It's conflicting because this has broke the 23. You can easily come and retest the fair value gap. So we've got two fibs there, a fib that is going down, a fib that is going up. One is lower time frame, one is higher time frame, but you always want to be on the side of higher time frames. CISO, does a red folder day invalidate the fib? And I would say no. I would say no. Volatility makes things happen quicker, but the fibs are always used as liquidity grabs or entry grabs, or yeah, my experience has shown that even though we're in, obviously it might spike and do things, but it normally stops at fib levels and reacts at fib levels. Hussein, hello. $9.42. Let's look at the euro dollar for a second. Ooh, a nice gap on the euro dollar. Let's delete all the levels. Look at the price action. Previous weekly low to previous weekly high on the daily has a gap. What's the chances of that staying there? Don't know. I don't know. Let's go on the 4 hour. It's 50 pips away, in the range of the daily range of the euro dollar. You've got previous daily high there, weekly high. That's a week. Oh, so that's the current weekly. Let me change that. So if you go onto the settings of this, oh, it's frozen. Let's refresh it. Monday high, I don't want that. Current weekly high and low, no. Previous highly, yes. Monthly, yes. Previous, this is the current month high. Okay. So the previous weekly low there. Previous weekly high was there, so we're trading below the previous week. So discounted arena from the previous week. We're close to the monthly low, which is here. So potential play here. Take the previous daily low and push price higher, or look what we got here. If you could do anything with the market to manipulate at this moment of time, how easy would it be to manipulate people? Everyone thinks that we're going up in the gap. So let's take the price there, fill these orders, take out the people that want to go higher and take the low. Now people see break of structure below, straighten it down, we take them out, and then we go and tackle the gap. Now we've taken the longs out with this trade. We've taken the shorts out with this trade. And then the price can do whatever it wants. It can continue lower, or it can continue higher to find those levels here. But in terms of a fib, broke the 23, came back down, found this. Now this is the low. So this would have to break the 23. It would take us straight into that fair value gap. If it gets rejected, can easily see liquidity here below. Remember, we're at discount at the moment, so we're looking for long opportunities. Even though this has been screaming down. That is what's been happening. Lower prices. You can even pull this lower. We've got bigger liquidity here. This is on a daily or even weekly. Nice little pressure being created there. Lower lows, lower highs. You can see that channel there. Pound dollar, let's see. This is the time I start to look for a pass method trade, potentially. Obviously, I've got my analysis on another screen. I'm not going to show you that. We've got rejection of the fair value gap there. And trading above it, potentially go and find the liquidity above the high. Now, we did talk about this. If this is going higher, that means that the DXY is going to fill the gap, potentially down here. But it's got some room to go. It is at the previous daily low. Potential. That would mean pound dollar going higher. It also means euro dollar going higher. Okay, I think it's time. Here we go. We're going to have a third person joining the pass method. At the moment, we know we have Scott and James. We're going to have a third person. Who's ready? Let's put some Discord glasses if we're ready to find out who is the third person who's going to be joining us in July for the pass method challenge, 6 weeks challenge, intensive. Charlotte says the drum roll. Okay. The third person who's going to be joining the pass method is Joseph. Joseph is in. He's going to be our third person who is going to be joining the 5 members. I'm super excited for you, buddy. Another one that deserves it so much. He is now, I believe is here. I think I saw him in here. Super excited for you. Super incredible journey on how you got to where you are today. What an incredible person, and what there he is, Joseph. I know it's really early for you. I won't be expecting you to stay up any longer. Well done, well done. Amazing stuff. Now, Joseph, make sure we have good internet. That will be my request for you. We need good internet for this, so make sure you do everything in your power that we've got good internet when we're going to try and do the 6-week challenge. Amazing stuff. James, Joseph, Scott, 2 more. It's happening. 2 more. Awesome. Pound dollar is pushing towards the liquidity. Buy side liquidity is hunting for it. It wants it. You can see it. It's tempting to find the previous daily high. Super happy for Joseph. Anyone wants a cup of Joe? Joseph online. He's in. Amazing. Amazing. Do you know, before I created the pass method, I have never back tested any strategy. No kidding. I'm so happy that I managed to find FX replay, because it would be impossible to go candle by candle on T4. But yeah, FX replay has been amazing, man. Try and get the every night, spending hours and hours on that platform. The frustration when you can see, 1 year failing your system, and then going like, "Oh, you serious?" Now I have to go and retest everything with an updated model. But it's going to be worth it. I know it's going to be worth it. Joseph, sweet. Absolutely. You're in. Get ready for July. We're approaching 10 o'clock. Ryan says the analytics and the journal, the ability to filter according to the tag is so good. Yanis, did you have lagging moments in FX replay? So far, no. I've done more than 40 of these retests. Now, look at this, guys. Buy-side liquidity is being tapped into. In my previous trading, I would get interested now. These are trades that I would take. Taking the high out. The past method is not taking this trade. Okay. Who we got? Hello, Raymond. Congratulations. I think I saw you earlier as well. No gap on the Aussie dollar. The only gap was on the euro, which is interesting. They're all in a similar scenario there. They're all trying to break that 23 upwards. DXY. Now, this is a similar scenario we were talking about. Where is everyone looking at? Everyone is looking at this gap. And we know in the past, DXY has done some funny stuff. So what potentially we can see is a push to the upside. Take the low here. Retrace up. Take the low here. And then we can see some manipulation above the highs here, because if we're trailing stops with an attempt to go down here, this is where we're going to place our stops. So this can try and take those stops out before it retraces down. Bro, your streaming platform. What do I stream on? OBS. Free platform. It's pretty simple. One minute to the hour. We've got a new member. Let's see who it is. We've got Veronica FX, Red Charlie, and Den982. You're in. You're in the Vanguards. Welcome. Super happy to have you. I know you're going to find huge value out of this, and the community and the people in here. Guys, you know that the Vanguard is going free in September. I'll put the link in if you want to join now. I don't like promoting like that, but it's not a promotion. It's more like do it, because there's going to be so much value in there. You can ask the Vanguards. Ask the people in here. We've got so many Vanguards in today, obviously, because they want to find out if they're one of the 5. But yeah, ask the group. Don't take my word for it. This community is building for something special. It's the members that find the community, that make the community. So I remember when we first started, we were putting the Discord together, and it was like, I can't remember, like 600 people joined the Discord. And that felt a little bit wrong, because it was like every random person joining. But you could see who was the right person. Big shout out to Martin. Martin was one of the first people who joined the Discord, and he was like, you could see how much he contributed to the community. And Martin became the almost like the what's the word I'm looking for? The blueprint of what this community can be. Big salute to Martin if he's here. The Vanguard has been very good for me. It's a great community, and it's based on the people first. Because soon as people come in and say strategy, then a strategy, I've tested all of them. They will fail at some point. They will fail. So don't, even like my strategies, there is a tiny percentage. If it does a 1,800 pips within a couple of hours, do you think a strategy is going to survive that? Only if you're trading with tight stops, without slippage. Sure. There he is, Martin the Goat. Really grateful. We're super grateful to have you in that community. If you've seen all the Zoom calls, Martin was the first who did the NLP. Martin is always the first putting the hand up to participate. He was at a different state of mind before Christmas. He did the work, and absolutely smashed it from then on. And I'm not saying these lightly because he's here. It's genuine. Like, I'm genuine saying that. It's a great community with a lot of knowledge. People in there are very helpful and transparent, always eager to help each other. Absolutely. And that's the thing. It's not my community. It's like, that's why I'm making it free. Because it's not only me, it's your community as well. So yes, I've put it together, and maybe I'm the link between you guys. To maybe you connected with the psychology side, maybe you connected with repositioning, maybe you connected with a slower approach to trading. Whatever that was, it brought you into the Vanguards, it brought you into the community. But then when you landed there, you saw Marcel, you saw Russ, you saw Martin, you saw Rich, you saw Jay, you saw all the people that are very similar minded. And suddenly you're not worried about opening up about trades. Suddenly you're not looking for signals in a trade. You're starting to do your own work. Yeah, that's how it is. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, enough about Martin. Should we do another result? Just kidding, Martin. He's a great guy. So, Super Forex, lead subscriber, welcome. Where are we at? 9881. 10,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? Can you imagine 10,000 people? No kidding, right? Out of those 9,881, probably 50% were here to see Ragnar. They're not here for the trading. They're here to see the Ragnar face. Which Joseph, by the way, told me a little secret. When we were doing what character we wanted that Ragnar to be, or was it going to be, we had some Poseidon, we had some, what else did we have? We had some big names, Leonidas. Joseph came up with Achilles. So Joseph's have been with us for a while. And I did like Achilles. I remember that coming in. I was like, oh, I hope they vote Achilles. We had Thor. That's right, Marcel. Okay, here we are. Number 4. 2 spots left. Oh, it's tough. Tough. Very tough. So far we've got James, based in the UK. Scott, also based in the UK. Joseph, a mix of America and Thailand, correct, Joseph, I think? Who's going to be next? You can hear a pin drop. If we're in a hall, you would hear the pin drop. Here we go. The next person, yeah, I think he deserves it more than anyone. It was an amazing interview. Without further ado, we're going to have number 4, who is no other than Martin. Martin has made it. He is in. He's one of the 5. I'm so happy for him. He deserves it more than anyone. Absolutely anyone. And I'm so happy for you. Look at that smile. I can see him smiling now in this chair. I am super happy for you. You're going to be an amazing asset. The GOAT is in. I was teasing him, but Martin was my first choice. Absolutely first choice. He is an incredible individual and he's going to help the group. I know he's going to be another even like a coach of these guys, because he puts so much work in. Awesome stuff. Martin is in. One more to go. told you it's going to be more emotional today. There we go. We got 4 people. 4 out of the 5. Martin. Congratulations, Martin. We're in. All the goat signs. Yeah, this would have been a trade I would have taken. And you remember that from the old lives. This is 2023, 6 weeks, green candles, green days. This is it. This would be my start of a trade. Then Ragnar would come in and we'll be talking about how do we manage to this high. The whole fair value gap is 40 pips away. We would change this to worst trade, worst entry. We would be looking to take the low, 20 pips. That would be spread out to 200 pips or something without repositioning. This would be an area where we'd reposition. So that would be 40 pips per position. If I deemed that to be too much, we would look on the left side for another high. So that high here, we would move $140. That would change the positions to a distance of 14 pips. That sounds better. We can probably extend that. $15, $20. 20 pips. The reason I'm showing you this is because most of you in here are Vanguards, so you know what we're talking about. There we go. Now we've got our plan. By the way, I'm not trading this because I'm trading the pass method at the moment. But this is how I would be looking at this from a repositioning perspective. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 repositions, 5, 6, 7, 8 repositions for a full stop out. Then you need to calculate your sizing. So excited for this. I'm excited for you, Martin. You're so hard not to tell you that you're one. And just because I know how much it means to you to make this work, and all the work you've put in to make it happen. And by the way, guys, this is the thing about this, the thing about being chosen with the 5. I have done everything in my power to put us in a very good position to pass challenges, right? If a Brexit happens or another something, a nuclear bomb goes out, hopefully not, we might be exposed to it. So this is the real deal. We're not back testing only, we're trading live. So there's going to be ups and downs, and that is part of trading. But what you're going to go through in these 6 weeks is going to be incredible. It's going to set you up for what I deem to be, what has been successful for me. Hopefully it will be successful for you too. Ali G, with Martin in the mix, we all knew there were only ever 4 slots. He deserves it so much, so much. And the funny thing is, I know that Martin thought that he's not selected, because he's that kind of guy. For the people that have been interviewed, I asked the same question to all of them, and it's a difficult question. It was, why you over other 79 people who have some crazy stories, absolutely crazy stories, difficult situations, people that really need it. Really tough situations. And he was one of the only guys who said, you know what, pick someone else, because I've got my things going on, but there might be someone else out there who needs it more than me, and I value that so much. So much. Bro, colorblind. Not sure what that means. Kembaki. 100%. I knew you didn't. I knew you didn't. Last one is going to be Marcel. Well, we'll have to wait and see. I can tell you now it's not Marcel. Marcel is going to be... He's going to be able to access all the information, because Marcel is the moderator of the group, and he's given so much to this community. And big shout, you've given me a nice pass there, Ryan, to give a big shout out to Marcel. Marcel is literally one of the pillars of this community. He's big things are coming from Marcel for sure, just because he's that kind of person, individual, who is constantly working on himself, constantly going to retreats and doing things. I can't imagine this group without Marcel. It's like, he's that big. So doing a challenge for Marcel for the 5 would be too small for him. We need bigger challenges for Marcel. I'm confused. Risk seems to be off. Oh, I see, the colorblind. Yeah, you're right. This would be crazy. Risk reward, wouldn't it? 0.16%, 1%. That's why I said this is for the Vanguards, because we know what we're doing. If you do want to know why this is like this, you can always join us. The Vanguard is going free from September. And there's still time. It's going to be a closed community. I've said it multiple times. And I know people are going to be emailing me in September saying, no, I want to be in. This is the time to be in, not September. Marcel is a top geezer. Absolutely agree. This was very tough, guys, and you know it was tough because there's only one spot and there's so many names that you see in here that could have very easily been in that spot. So it was extremely difficult to decide on these 5. But it had to be done because it had to be done. And these 5 guys or girls are gonna be, well, if the person is a girl in the end, we've got 4 boys, not all girls and all boys. Yeah, it's gonna be a great opportunity. A lot of this is going to feed into the community. So remember, if you're not in the spot, you're going to have access to these guys. You're going to be chatting to them every day. Yes, they might not be able to disclose everything that's happening in those when they're going through the program, but you know that you're going to be around you, and you're going to be they're going to be the same people that you've always been in the Vanguard, helping each other out. So super excited for the whole community. Ali is saying, I just joined the live stream. How is the managing to drag this out so long? Congrats to those so far. It's true. It's what can I say, Ali? I've got a talent for chatting crap. Here we go. We're currently in the green. This would be the repositioning approach. Things we have to go through. That nice fair value gap, break of structure above. One challenge away. That's what's on the cards. The guys are going to be getting the pass method for free. James, make sure I not give away out. James, Joseph, Scott, and Martin are going to be getting access to my phone number. They're going to be getting access to the program, which is going to be coming out every day. It's going to be drip fed. There's going to be presentations with me. There's going to be, let's talk about a little bit about what it's going to be. Now we have 4 people in, or maybe we'll do it when we've got all of them, so we get rid of the nerves. So yeah, if you want to join the community, guys, click join, drop an email in there, then you'll get a pop-up, which will pop on the upgrade chat, which will take you to being able to access the Vanguards when you've paid $19.99 until September. So what's that, like 2 months? Then you're in for life. No brainer. No brainer. So yeah, go and click on this video as well. Did I put this in the chat? I think this works. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh. Let me copy this for you guys. So make sure you send the email, because if by any chance, I don't know why you would do that, but let's say you didn't join, you would want to give me your email in case down in the line in years of time we do a special where we reopen the community for a small period of time. The people that want to know about that, I'll have to get in contact to you in order to get in contact with you about that will be your email. So one spot. Who's it going to be? Is it Ali, who didn't do the interview? Surprise, Ali, you're in. Crack me up. Look at this, guys. Here we go. This position, 3 pips in profit, aiming for 10 as usual, and repositioning. This will be there for the extensive move. Oh dear. Here we go. Who is the last person who's going to be joining the pass method? Honestly, all the interviews were absolutely incredible. Yeah, this was very hard. The last sport was, I debated this in my head for a long period of time. No kidding. Like it would change a few times. But then I was like, I have to go with what is right. Difficult decisions with so many people. But it had to be done. Yeah, the last position was difficult. You'll see at the bottom there we've got 3 more people who are going to be the substitutions, and there's something that's coming in a little bit about the surprise that I've promised. Which is something that I haven't told you yet, and it's something that's going to be implemented for these 5 traders in the pass method, which is going to be great. So, who is the last? Who is the last person to be in the 5? Let's find out. And the last person is Jay. Jay's in. Jay is in after a lot of consideration on everyone. Jay, man. Jay has been pestering me with... He was the first one who did the video. His video, I got shivers. I still got shivers now of his story. And I can tell you, just we know very little about people's journeys and stories. Jay is like 3:30. What time is it for you now? 3 a.m. or something. I can't express enough about all these guys, but Jay in particular, I know he's going to be an incredible asset. I know he's going to do everything in his power to make this not only himself but the group succeed, and he's given so much to the community already. Super happy for Jay. Yeah, I can't express how much he deserves this, and I don't say this lightly. There was a few people in this group that I had to think really careful, because there's some people that really need this, but I had to. Big man, Jay is in. So there we go. That's the 5 people. And what we're going to do next is, you see, the 3 substitutions. But stick around, trust me. You don't want to miss what's coming. It's a big surprise. So you don't want to miss it. So stay around, because bigger things are happening. Pound dollar pushed down, and now it looks like it's trying to take the highs again. We talked about probably if I was trading this, I would be looking for a 20 pip reposition. So that will be there. I would be looking for a second position here. That's how the trade would look. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Don't take any trades from this. This is for entertainment. Good choices, good luck all. Sincere hope it goes well. Guys, and people that haven't made it, trust me, you're not gonna not get these opportunities in the van. You're in the Vanguard, you're surrounded by this group, by all of the guys. So yeah, it's all these guys are gonna be the ones doing the hard work. There's going to be challenges, there's going to be struggles, there's going to be some big explorations, but hopefully we'll get to the motherland, as they say, and get you on the other side of that 1% of traders who are successful. The rest of us will start pestering these 5 for sure now. I would do the same, to be honest. But we're not going to delay too much. I want to take it is coming to a time where I do want to start thinking of my actual trading using the past method, because nothing like testing it live. For us. Jay, you're still good to set up that coffee trader for me, bro. That's not allowed. Not allowed. But good on thinking out of the box there. So let's go and reveal the substitutions, because trust me, things can change, guys. Life changes can happen. People if people can't make the live, or the one thing that I've asked from every trader who's going to be part of this challenge is that they have to be there, they have to have the time, they have to apply themselves during the presentations, during the peer work, during the back testing. So it is quite a lot of stuff. And within the first 2 days, I will give the guys 2 days to think about it. Because when we start in July, there's no changing things. So if someone has thought about it and they don't have the time, or they're on holiday and they don't want to do it now, then the substitutions will be the first to take these places. So what we're going to do now is reveal those substitutions. Okay, first substitution, who is going to be, this was tough because all these 3 people, they were so close to making it in. I had to sleep over it a couple of days, and I really wanted these people to be part of this, but there had to be 5. So the first substitution, who's going to be, if something happens, health, touch wood, anything happens, the first person who is going to be up to replace one of these traders is Charlotte. I think I pronounced the name right. So close to making it into the 5. Amazing interview. It was great to touch base with you. Yeah, it was tough. It was very tough for these 5 spots. Very, very close, and I know you're going to be a great asset for the community as well. So anything happens, any dropouts, the first person who's going to be joining will be Charlotte. Next person. Time for the next person. Okay, the next person is going to be Ryan. Ryan, also very, very, very close to making the 5. I know you're going to be gutted, but trust me, I had some reasons that I had to come with these decisions. But you are there, and if something happens, you're going to be the next person to replace one of the 5. And lastly, we have the final substitution, who is Okay, the final person who's going to be a substitution to the 5 is Russ. Russ, the big man. He's made it into the substitutions. So there we go, guys. We've got the pass method starting in July with James, Scott, Jay, Joseph, Martin. Charlotte is going to be the first to replace any change. Ryan the second, and Russ the third. But there is something that I want to announce. And that announcement is big. And that announcement is going to happen in a very short time. So trust me, you want to hear it. Pound dollar still holding, took out the highs, trying to push down. Dun, dun, dun. I know how much it means to a lot of you, so you're in the community. Hey, look at that. Who's number 6? Hilarious. So yeah, super excited. And before, what time is it? All right, I have to go. Definitely have to go at 11. So I'm gonna give you the news. Okay, I think it's time to announce the news before we close, because it's getting a bit late and I need to get my trades in. So, here we go. Here are the news. There's not 5, there's 6. There are 6 people who are going to be joining me for the July pass method. Ali was right. This 5th position was worse than Squid Games, I said. The thing is about this, I was sleeping over it so many nights, and I was like, I think these people deserve it, and I had to. I had to do it. I had to go with 6. It changes things a little bit because obviously everything had been planned for 5, but after thought process, and actually it will help with the peer work, because then we'll have 3 pairs of 2. the person who's going to be joining us for the pass method, and this is the final person, there's only going to be 6. It is no other than one of these 3. It's the wrong slide. So one of these 3 is going to be joining the 6, and that person is Russ. Russ here, he's going to be joining the 6. I'm not sure why I came up with this slide, but it was Russ. So it will be James, Jay, Scott, Martin, Joseph, and Russ. And it's not playing ball. So there we go. So that is, guys, all our 6 traders that are going to be joining me on this journey. I had to think really hard about this, and I've not taken it lightly. I'm not going to lie, with Russ, it was a tough decision. I had to include him in, just because I know how much he wants it and what it means for him and where he is in his life. I think this will be exactly what he needs. So super excited, guys. I hope you are too. There we go. James, Scott, Joseph, Martin, Jay, and Russ are going to be our traders who are going to be taking part in the pass method. Now, a little bit about the pass method. Now that we're in, that's done. I'm so happy it's done. And there were so many amazing interviews, and Ray and Marco and I use, like, trust me, you're going to be getting a lot of benefit out of this. It just had to be 5, now 6. So don't worry, there will be future dates where things are going to be happening and exciting news coming. No man, please help me. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Please don't spam the chat. But yeah, absolutely super excited for you guys. And last thing I wanted to show you is, I'm not sure if I can show you here. Let me see. Just gonna pick up just so you understand a little bit about the pass method. Where is it? I want to show you a little bit about what you're about to endure. So I'll give you the headlines of the weeks. Week 1 is called preparation. Week 2, analysis, NLP. Week 3 is strategy. Week 4 is called surrender. Week 5 is called rebirth. And week 6 is called pass. Now, out of all these weeks, there's so much that you're gonna have to go through. You're gonna have to learn a lot. There's a lot of new stuff. They're gonna have to do a lot of work within the group. This is gonna become our tribe, a tribe within the tribe. Vanguard is our tribe. All right, no man, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to remove you. So, give me a sec, guys. I have never had to do this, so it's a little bit. Use it. So yeah. So there's going to be a lot of intense work. First week preparation wise, there's going to be a lot on setting things up, giving you the fundamentals of what we're going to be doing, checking calendars, getting my numbers, setting everything up. Fridays is something that is going to be absolutely incredible for you guys. I am so excited for all of you. I think you're going to be looking forward to Fridays. What else we got here? Let me see if I can give you some little snippets. Yes, there's a lot of workshops. There's a lot of developmental stuff. Journals. There's so much stuff. It's going to be epic. So, okay, so Mystic, good question. Hi Yanis, I have questions after all the interviews. What's your thoughts on the people who are inside Vanguard? What they need to improve as a mindset? Very good question by Mystic Miles. So let's put the music down a little bit. First of all, something that's going to be incredible, important for the whole group that are going to be joining is belief. First of all, you have to have the belief that you can do it. If you don't have the belief that you can make Forex your full income, it's never going to happen. You have to have the belief. So I would say that is the biggest thing. In terms of work, I would definitely go and look at all the Zoom recordings. Don't just jump on the strategy of repositioning. I've tested all the strategies, silver bullet. Every strategy at some point is going to struggle. So it's about how you can manage the trades and how you can manage your psychology around the trades. And there's so many videos on that, about 43, 2 hours. There's probably more than 80 hours of content there where you can go and digest and work on. So I would do that. Remember, 6 weeks is nothing. In a month and a bit, this will be done and will be focused on the Vanguard group, because it will be closing to the public in September. So you do want to be part of the Vanguard. Don't miss it, guys. Trust me. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things are coming. So there we go. I'm super excited, guys. I hope you are excited. We're going to start the process now. I'm going to focus so hard on now what we've got with the outcome out. I'm going to work even more on preparing for you guys for July, which is not a long time. It's in 18 days. So please put everything in place for you to be ready for July. Charlotte is asking, the substitutes, do they just wait and see what happens along the way? Don't have access to the startup etc, right? No, so what will happen, Charlotte, I'm not expecting anyone to not go through with July. After the questions that I asked in interviews, everyone said that they're up for it and the time commitment. Now, if someone in the next 2 days messages me, either Russ, Joseph, James, Martin, or Jay, who'd I forget, Scott, if they message me and say, hey Yanis, I absolutely love this opportunity, but something's come up, I can't do it, then you will be the first person to get you onto the 6. I'm so used to saying 5, now it's 6. But yeah, guys, be careful today with the trading. We've got loads of news, especially at New York. And stay safe, and I'll see you all in the Vanguard very, 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 very soon.